The MBS Group is a Kuwait-owned company that has a global vision. It's a company that's been around for a long time in Kuwait, but is now expanding and developing not just across the Gulf, but into other parts of the world in terms of its trade. The business is dynamic, it's focused. Parts of the business have been removed that haven't been performing in previous years, and other parts have been bolstered. The MBS FMCG division, that's fast moving consumer goods, is a division set up recently in Dubai, supplying food products, premium food products, to the hotel and retail industry. This is a division that's got a very exciting future due to the tremendous growth in this region. The MBS Graphics division is the oldest established division within our group. It started in Kuwait and is now expanding across the Gulf, with a lot of business currently coming out of the UAE. The Graphics division supplies print solutions in pre-press, the press, and post-press. The kinds of products we are involved in are, for example, TSK from Japan, where we are providing finishing solutions in binding, fine binding equipment. The TSK machine is now on a plane with any machine coming out of Europe, and in fact is now overtaking good European manufacturers in this part of the world. Our association with Japanese products goes a long way. We've also recently acquired an agency from Japan called Shinonora. This is a printing press which has had huge success in other parts of the world, but has not got to this market yet. We also look at consumable products and take advantage of where we can provide more cost-effective value to printers. An example again could be web ink. Web ink is an ink that needs to dry very quickly when it runs through a machine, and it must perform accurately in terms of color management, etc. We have formed association with companies in the Far East to develop web ink that can compete with European products. We have two printing presses in our group. Our oldest, MBS printing press in Kuwait, is the press that is looking out at the rest of the Gulf market currently in terms of its dynamics of opening services in Oman and Qatar and places of this nature. The press itself has had huge investment put into it over the last year, particularly in areas like pre-press. And what I am pleased to say is that we are one of the few presses in Kuwait that operates a full CTP facility. Our other press, the MBS Zabil press in Dubai, is a press that is also looking at new dynamics in printing. Now what we've done is invested in a commercial 6x6 colour web press. In fact, it's the only press in the region. This press is going to provide services to publishers, not only in the UAE, but in other parts of the world as well, like the UK market and Switzerland and other parts of Europe. Technology has also helped us, and we've invested in new software technology that can link our publisher to our printing press very easily. So our printing press can be linked up with a publisher even in a place like London.